In this video, I'll show you how you can play the tutorial in League of Legends. Now once you open League of Legends, you'll be able to press play right here, and there should be co-op versus AI and training. Now if you press on training, you'll be able to play a tutorial right here, which will help you if you're a new player. Now if you choose co-op versus AI, you'll also be able to play kind of a tutorial. It's more like bot games, where you can choose the easiest, middle, or the hard option, and these will also help you improve fast if you're a new beginner. Now these are the two only options right now if you want to play against bots and a tutorial. In here you have the against real people, so if you're not ready for this, just play these as a start. Now if you want to go to practice tool, it will just be you, and there's many things. You can level up your hero and everything. This is more if you want to test a champion or something, then you can do it in here. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.